Hi everyone, welcome to LOOkX YouTube channel. Step 1. Start off with a clean, fresh face and apply a dime-sized amount of the LOOkX Smart 4-in-1 Protection Primer for a soft, smooth base for your makeup. Follow with the LOOkX Silky Touch Foundation and apply with the LOOkX Foundation Brush for a perfect smooth complexion. LOOkX Foundation Brush is made out of high-quality nylon hair for a perfect distribution of pigment and a smooth application of your foundation. After you've applied your foundation, we're going to go in with the LOOkX Concealer to hide dark circles under the eyes and blemishes. LOOkX Concealer is a creamy yet lightweight concealer for the perfect coverage. The unique formula with added minerals will melt into your skin and give you that beautiful second skin effect. After applying the LOOkX Concealer, we're going to go onto the entire face with the LOOkX Sun Protection Powder for extra protection against the harmful UV radiation of sun. Step 2. It's time to give our brows some attention now. Use the LOOkX eyebrow pencil to accentuate the eyebrows, comb the hairs into place with the attached brush for a more defined look. The fine tip makes it possible to draw thin brow hair strokes onto the eyebrow to create a more natural effect. The unique colour pigments adjust to almost every hair colour for a natural accentuated eyebrow that will last up to 14 hours. Step 3. As an eyeshadow primer, use the LOOkX Creamy eyeshadow in colour Earth. This liquid waterproof eyeshadow ensures a long-lasting eye makeup look without creasing, flaking or fading, perfect for a dinner date night out. Step 4. Apply the LOOkX eyeshadow number 908 Oyster Pearl on the entire eyelid with the LOOkX eyeshadow brush. LOOkX eyeshadow brush is a firm eyeshadow brush made out of high-quality nylon hair. The brush ensures a perfect distribution of pigment for a smooth eyeshadow application. Step 5. Create dimension with your eye look and apply the LOOkX eyeshadow number 909 Seashell Pearl in the outer corner of your eyes with the LOOkX blender brush. Step 6. Apply the LOOkX exclusive eyeliner number 15 Purple Pearl on the lower lash line for an intense look. Step 7. Make sure your eyes stand out with the LOOkX Quick Long-Lasting Liquid Eyeliner in deep black. Apply the eyeliner on the upper lash line with a stamping movement. This will give you a precise application. Start at the inner corner and then to the outer corner of the eye and end with a wing. The special applicator gives you maximum control and applies the eyeliner smooth and even to create a beautiful tight line. Step 8. Apply the LOOkX Mascara Ultra Lash on the upper lash and lower lashes with a zigzag motion to finish the eye look. Apply multiple layers for extra volume and perfectly separated eyelashes without any clumping. Step 9. Use the LOOkX eyeshadow number 908 Oyster Pearl as a highlighter on the cheekbones, on the brow bone and the inner corner of the eyes. Feeling extra fabulous today? Apply the LOOkX Loose Eyeshadow Moon Shimmer Silver in the inner corners of the eyes for extra shiny, beautiful look. Step 10. Use the LOOkX Velvet Lip Liner to accentuate the lips. This will make your lipstick stay all day long. For an extra glossy and bright finish on your lips, use the LOOkX Lip Gloss number 30 Macaroon Pearl. The special pearl pigments in this lip gloss gives your lips a volumized appearance. The lip gloss contains caring ingredients such as vitamin E to keep your lips soft and supple. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click the subscribe button and not miss out on future videos.